Okay, so very good morning to all of you. So in our last class, we had completed the concept of random forest algorithm. So in this way, we completed all supervised machine learning algorithms. So today, we will go to unsupervised machine learning. So just I am recalling. So under supervised machine learning, we studied the concept of regression and classification. Under regression, two algorithms we covered: simple and multiple linear regression. Under classification, four algorithms we covered: logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest. So in this way, six algorithms that we completed. So what was the concept of supervised machine learning overall? By taking the value of X, the model predicting the value of Y. And overall, supervised machine learning meant for leveled data. We will or we had worked or we worked over leveled data. Leveled data means output that we are model is predicting. Okay, this flower is setosa or versicolor or virginica. What will be the price of this particular one? Particular, we are giving the input value and we are putting outputs. But on supervised machine learning, no doubt it is another type of machine learning based on level data set. So whatever volume of data set, anything, maybe 100, maybe 1000, maybe 1 lakh, maybe 5 lakh, that is not a matter, but level data is on level. So what do you mean by on level? Suppose in supervised machine learning, we saw regression meant for continuous value and classification meant for categorical value. In continuous value, we studied, suppose what will be the price of this square foot area. This is a continuous value. In categorical value, we studied, suppose we are giving an input and the model is predicting whether the candidate is able to get a loan or not, able to get purchase car or not, this type of things. So that means output having a particular prediction the model is providing. But here, unsupervised machine learning, one concept we will cover today, and or then you can know what is the meaning of on-labeled data. Okay, so it is another type of machine learning based on labeled. So we will see one what consideration, or we will see one example coming under unsupervised machine learning, that is called as one algorithm. So the concept is clustering. And here we will cover one algorithm. That algorithm is K-means clustering. So guys, what is the meaning of clustering? Clustering means a group of data items. Suppose a group of similar data items, by taking a group of similar types of data items, we are forming cluster. Suppose ମୋର ଅନୁଗୁଳରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ ଶୋରୁମ ଖୋଲିଲା, ଠିକ ଅଛି? ତ ଗୋଟେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ ଶୋରୁମ ରେ so varieties of electronic device, definitely that showroom will contain. So TV, your refrigerator, your various smartphones. तो से कौन कला ना तो केमिति से ताको मेंटेन करिवो how the person the admin will keep all the devices ना मोबाइल जोटे रखिथिबो मोबाइल दिले रखिथो ता भितर टीवी रखिबो कि तेन मोबाइल पे गोटे सेपरेट स्टैक बा सेपरेट स्पेस एक्वायर करिवो टीवी पे गोटे सेपरेट स्टैक की सेपरेट स्पेस एक्वायर करिवो फ्रिज पे भी सेम तर मोबाइल पुनी मोबाइल तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल व्हाट शोरूम नेम इज एक्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शोरूम ता भितर से कोन कोन तीन केते गोटे सेगमेंट अछि तर तीनोटी सेगमेंट अछि गोटे धर मोबाइल सेगमेंट गोटे टीवी सेगमेंट फ्रिज सेगमेंट कि कूलेंट सेगमेंट विभिन्न सेगमेंट तर मोबाइल के आसीबो पुनी मोबाइल पुनी केमती सजेबो सैमसंग मझे तीन दियो तामे कोन उपयोग कि तो से कोन करे सैमसंग को गोटे बा साइड रखिबो मोबाइल वेराइटर मोबाइल अछि ओप्पो को रखिबो गोटे जगह विवो गोटे जगह रखिबो नोकिया गोटे जगह रखिबो एमआई की गोटे जगह रखिबो तो डिफरेंट गोटे प्रथमे से ताको सजेइ देबा पुणी ओप्पो भितर कि सैमसंग भितर पुणी अछि तार मोबाइल से एक्स सीरीज वाई सीरीज बी सीरीज एम सब नहीं से हिसाब से मोबाइल electronic store then mobile suppose you choose Samsung then under Samsung केते प्रकार Samsung मोबाइल अछि तेणु सब जति प्रकार Samsung मोबाइल अछि यदि सब all types of Samsung mobile we will consider and we will form a cluster माने गोटे ग्रुप but से ग्रुप रे one type of data item by taking a particular type of data item a similar data item we will form a group so in our context so that group is called as a cluster so here so there is an algorithm that algorithm is k-means clustering k-means clustering so this algorithm first of all we have to or we will cover so before going to the practical phenomenon practical approach first of all we have to know what is the concept behind that some theoretical mathematical concept behind k means cluster okay so there are three steps step number 1 so in 3 steps we will understand the concept of k means cluster okay so step number 1 take mean value I will explain by taking an example so take mean value step number 2 find nearest number of mean and put in cluster I will explain what I'm writing step number 3 repeat step 1 and 2 repeat 1 and 2 step 1 and 2 until we get same mean so whatever or what I wrote these 3 steps now I will give the clarity by taking an example suppose I have a set of data item any random data item you take suppose 2 3 4 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 20 comma 25 comma 30 suppose let a group of data items okay now our objective is a group of data item is given A group of data item is given. Objective is I will form two clusters. That is k equals to 2. K is a variable. Okay. So what we have to do, a group of data items are given, how we have to, or how we will form two cluster by taking these data items 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 20, 25, 30. So ये data item मनो इच्छा नहीं, तो भी मनो इच्छा नहीं, किसी there is no problem. Any data item you take, there is no problem. So how first we will start. Step number 1, take mean value. प्रथमे दुईटी एनी ए जो data item नहीं ची ता भितरो दुईटी data item तुम्हें चूज करो, any data item एवं ताको को mean m1. Suppose I will take 4 suppose, and m2 equals to suppose 12. Suppose ये जो 4 12 नेली चूज करले सेटा मन इच्छा नहीं, ता पई सेमिति किछि प्रोटोकॉल नाही. मु कोन करली ना any two data item I considered, and let this is m1 and this is m2 first. तापर मु कोन करबी ना m1 को नै कि गोटे k1 बाहर करबी आ m2 को नै कि k2 बाहर करबी. k1 will contain a group of data items, k2 will contain group of data items. तले k1 भितरे मु को data item को रखिबी, which data items that I will keep, I will assay. Step number 2 मु कोन लिखि जे find the nearest. ये जो m1 4 लेछि, सो ये k1 भितरे को data item रहइबो. देखिबो the data item which is nearer to 4, that data items I will keep in k1, and the data items those who data items which is nearer to 12, that data items I will keep in k2. Guys, 1 minute. Hello. हाँ, मैं भी क्लास में 1 बजे कॉल करो, बाकी 1 बजे. So what I told, the data items which is nearer. Suppose 2, definitely 2, 4 nearer, not 12 nearer. Difference कर दो ना. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 12 minus 2, that is 10. So 2 is nearer to 4. 3 is nearer to 4. 4 is nearer to 4. 10 और 4 भितर difference 6. 10 और 12 भितर difference 2. तेणु 10 टा सेपरेट को जिबे. ताको हम रखि देबे k2 करे. और सोला 10, 11, 12, 20, 25, 30. Step number 1. बुझेला give a response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो वर्तमान मु k1 2 3 4 and k2 पाइले 10 11 12 20 25 30. मु केमिति रखिछि ना the data item which is nearer to m1 value, so that data items I will keep in k1, and the data item which is nearer to the data item 12, those data items I will keep in k2. Now मु k1 रे किछि data item पाइछि, k2 रे data item. Now again, in step number 2, m1 केते बाहर करिबा. m1 एबे जो m1 बाहर करिबा mean as usual जेमति mean बाहर. mean माने कोन ना k1 डेटा को नै, तो mean रो माने कोन ना 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. So there are three data item, 2 plus 3 plus 4 by number of data item 3. That's the main value. 2 plus 3 get 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 3, 3. So similarly, M2 बाहर करो by taking K2 data. So M2, so M2 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30. That is 108 divided by number of data item 6, that is 18. Okay. So 10 plus 11 plus 12 देखिबो 108 हबो 108 by 6, that is 8. Now in step number 2 we got M1 value. M1 is 3, M2 value that we got, that is 18. Same way, now I will find K1 and I will find K2. Now I will find K2. So you tell, now you tell which data items I will keep in K1 and which data items I will keep in K2. Same concept, the data items which is nearer to M1 value. So nearer. So 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 10 ଆସିବନି 10 ଆଉ 3 ର difference 7, but it is 18. 10 ଆଉ 18 ର difference 8, ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି 10 ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ. A2 equals to ଆଉ ଯାହାର ହେଲା ଏପଟେ ରହିଲା 11, 12, 20, 25, 30. ଏଟା ହେଲା step number 2. Difference ବାହାର କରିଦବ 3 ର ଯେ nearer ସେ data items A1 ରେ ରହିବେ, 18 ର ଯୋଉ ମାନେ nearer ସେ data item K2 ରେ ରହିଲେ. So this process will repeat. So now K1 equals to 2, 3, 4, 10, K2 equals to 11, 20, 25, 30. Now I will find M1 by taking the value of K1 and I will find the M2 by taking the value of K2. So M1 kete 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 10, that is 19. So 19 by 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 by 4. So that is 4.75. What I calculate okay, so 4.75 equivalent to 5. Equivalent. Okay, around. Similarly, you tell M2 equals to 11 plus 12 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 divided by 5. Number of data item is 5. So that is 19.6 4.75 bharla M1. So 10 to 5. So I consider that is 5. M2 value bharla 19.6 and I consider as this is 20. So again K1 रो value को नेइकरी मु M1 पाइली, K2 रो value को नेइकरी मु M2 पाइली. Now K1 equals to कितने? M1 रो value को नेइकरी K1 and M2 रो value को नेइकरी K2. So you tell which data items that I will keep in K1 and which data items that I will keep in K2. So that means the data items which are nearer to 5. So somewhere nearest type, nearer. So as a key 2 ରହିବ 3 ରହିବ 4 ରହିବ 10 10 ଆଉ 5 ଭିତରେ difference 5 10 ଆଉ 20 ଭିତରେ difference 10 ତ ଏଠି 10 ରହିଯିବ 11 ଆଉ 5 ଭିତରେ difference 6 11 ଆଉ 20 ଭିତରେ difference 9 ତାହେଲେ 11 ରହିବ 12 12 ଆଉ 5 ଭିତରେ difference 7 but 12 और 20 ଭିତରେ difference 8 तो 12 ଟା ଏପଟେ ରହିବ. So K2 equals to तो बाहर गले 20, 25, 30. क्लियर बुझेला तो वर्तमान में कौन पाइले m1 and k1 in step number 3. So in step number 3, m1 value 5, m2 value 20. By taking the value 5, I created a k1, and by taking the value 20, I created the value of a k. So the data item which is nearer to 5, that item 1, data item nearer to 20, that data item I kept in k. Here, give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Similar. Now you tell again 45 m1 kete. Now by taking in step number 4, by taking the values of k1, I will get the value of m1. By taking the values of k2, I will get the value of m. तो तुम्हें को ताले m1 रो वैल्यू केते हबो 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 divided by 1 2 3 4 by 6. 2
7.
plus 7, m1 equals to 7. Similarly, m2 equals to 20 plus 35 plus 30, 20, 30, 50, 20, 25, not this 35, because that it was 25 better. This is 25. This is 25. And 20 plus 25 will get 45, 45 plus 30 कितना 75, 75 by 3. 75 by 3 कितने 25.
20.
So m1 is 7, m2 is 25. So now, so I will create k1 and I will create k. Then you tell which data items, the data items which are nearer to k1. So k1 रो जो data item nearer से आसबे कोटे के sorry m1 7 रो जो data item nearer से आसबे k1 को, and जो data item which are nearer to 25, so they will come to k2. k1 रे क्या रहइबो ना 2 रहइबो 3 रहइबो 4 रहइबो 10 रहइबो कारण 10 और 7 भितर डिफरेंस 3 है, 10 और 25 रे डिफरेंस 15 ह्यूज डिफरेंस, तो 11 रहइबो 12 रहइबो. Then 20 और 7 भितर डिफरेंस होची 13, but 20 और 25 डिफरेंस 5, so and k2 जहाँ रहिला 12 पर रहिला कोन ना 20, 25, 30. Step number 4. Now step number 5, देखो k1 k2 समान ही गला. Previous in step number 3 k1 k2 and step number 4 k1 k2. Step number 3 रे k1 k2 और step number 4 रे k1 k2 समान अछि. એટલે m1 हे गला 7, then m2 हे गला 25, हे गला 25. Okay, हम algorithm देखो, repeat step number 3, the point what I have written. Repeat 1 and 2 until we get the same mean. So previously जोटी हमें stop होगा कोटी ना जोटे में same mean पाई गए m1 7, m1 7, m2 25, m2 25. So जोटी for a mean value repeat ହେଇଗଲା, same value पाई करले सेटिंग स्टार्ट. ତାହେଲେ ମତେ ଦୁଇଟି କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର, ତାହେଲେ ମୋର desired କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର ଟି କିଏ ହେଲେ ନା ହେଲା k1 equals to 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା 20, 25, 30. So this is the theory behind the k-means clustering concept. So now it is not a, we are not a particularly focusing towards a particular point. That's why it is called on level. We are not focusing it towards a particular point, simply a group of data items. We are forming a, what we are creating, or we are forming a cluster. Now we can say K1 is a cluster and K2 is a cluster. So give a response.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ଆଜି ତ ହେଇପାରିବନି କି 10 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିବନି ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଜିନିଷଟା, ତ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଟା କାଲି କରିବା ଆଉ କେମିନ୍ସ ଛୋଟିଆ ଇନକମ ଡାଟା ସେଟ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ନେଇକିରି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର ହେଇଛି। ଏ କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର କ୍ଲିୟର ଭଲ ଦେଖ, ଗୋଟେ ରେଡ କଲର ଡାଟା ଆଇଟମ, ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ଡାଟା ଆଇଟମ, ବ୍ଲାକ କଲର ଡାଟା ଆଇଟମ, ତିନିଟା କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର କରିକି ଆମେ ବନେଇଛେ। ତ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି, ରେଡ କଲର ଡାଟା ଏଠି ରହିଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର ଭଳି ଲାଗୁଛି। ବଟ ଏଠି ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ଭିତରେ ବ୍ଲାକ ଦିଟା ପଶି ଯାଇଛି, ଏଠି ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ଭିତରେ ବ୍ଲାକ ଦିଟା ପଶି ଯାଇଛି। ଏ ଦିଟା ପଲିସି ହେଇନି। ତାପରେ ଆମେ କଣ କଲେ, ସ୍କେଲିଂ ଅପରେସନ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିକିରି এই আউটপুটটা পাওয়া যায়। গ্রিন কলর সবুজ, এটা হলো সবুজ গ্রিন কলর ডেটা আইটম। গোটে পটে রয়েছে सब रेड कलर डाटा आइटम गोटे पटे रही, एठी ब्लैक कलर डाटा आइटम, एटा तीनटा क्लस्टर। सो ए ग्रुप ऑफ डाटा आइटम्स, ओके, similar group of similar data items, by that by taking we are forming a group, and that is called as a cluster. So एठी रेड कलर डाटा आइटम, आ गोटे ग्रीन कलर डाटा आइटम, आ गोटे ब्लैक कलर डाटा आइटम, ये अलग अलग तरीके अच्छे ग्रुप हेगिर भी अच्छे। ଆମେ ଏଟା କହିପାରିବା ତିନିଟା କ୍ଲଷ୍ଟର। ତ ଆମେ କେତେ ସପୋଜ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟା ସେଟ ଦେଇଥିବ, ତ ଆମର ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ରହିବ, ଆମର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଟେଷ୍ଟଟା କଣ ରହିବ ନା, always we will make cluster. So how many number of cluster that we will create by taking our data set, that depend upon us actually, whatever the number of cluster that you will specify. So तो ମୁଁ କାଲି କହିବି। So number of cluster, so ତା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ keyword ଅଛି n underscore clusters, keyword ଅଛି keyword n underscore clusters. So n underscore clusters होची ଗୋଟେ keyword that representing how many number of clusters that you want to create. So whatever you specified, I specified 3, that means 3 numbers of cluster will create. Whatever we have the data set, by taking data set we will see how many number of clusters that is able that we can create. तो ये पार्ट में काली ये करबा आ टिके बेला बेली जॉइन करथले মই সেটা সাথ बहुत लेट रे जॉइन कलो, तो वेरी सिंपल। तो हमरा एई एल्गोरिथम परे ମୁଁ ट्राई करबी दुईटी कि तीनोटी प्रोजेक्ट करिया पे ओवरऑल। तो गोटे माइंड रे माने रखिछि गोटे हार्ट डिजीज प्रेडिक्शन को मु कोन करबी ना, लॉजिस्टिक सपोर्ट वेक्टर मशीन, डिसीजन ट्री रे सब क्लासिफिकेशन एल्गोरिथम रे पकेबी, एंड फुल्ली जोटा कि हमर मॉडल क्रिएशन पूर्व सुपरवाइज्ड मशीन लर्निंग रे मॉडल क्रिएशन पूर्व हमें जो स्टेप करथुलो ता कोन डाटा प्री प्रोसेसिंग, सेटा कि आउट डेप्थ रे करबा, ता कोन ईडीए एक्सप्लोरेटरी डाटा एनालिसिस। तो कि ईडीए टाको भल से करिके तापर मॉडल क्रिएट करबा, एवं गोटे टास्क को यदि मु गोटे प्रोजेक्ट रे तीनोटे कि चारिटा एल्गोरिथम पकई देखिबे, एनालिसिस करबे कहार एक्यूरेसी स्कोर टा भलो, कहार प्रिसिजन भलो, सो एनालिसिस, सो दैट वी कैन डू। गोटे करिबा आ गोटे क्रॉप प्रेडिक्शन करिबा सो तीनटा खंड प्रोजेक्ट 3 or 2 or 3, so that number of projects that I will do. ହେଲା ଏଟା ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛ କ୍ଲିୟର I hope everybody understanding ତ
Yes,
ମୁଁ
sir.
କାଲି ଆର
Yes, sir.
Yes,
କାଲି
sir.
algorithm ଟା ଅଧ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ସରିଯିବ ତାପରେ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ମୁଁ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବି ହେଲା ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କାଲି ମୁଁ କହିବି କଣ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟଟା ରହିବ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଡ କଣ ରହିବ ଥାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟଟା କଣ ରହିବ ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ରହିଲି ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ ୟୁ